boy want war? Send out the Jones. Cause you know we do it already. Any bandana color. Could be blue, white, red, gray, black. I don't care what color you want to wear. Women's can wear. Whatever, man can whatever. Two bandanas in the town, maybe more than two bandanas. I don't know what it is. Mafia. It's bigger than you think. We got connections with the army. What you think it was? Porn, bro? To the street keys? Called Mafia. Mob. Gang. Whole life. What you know about that? You just born yesterday?
Reaper, this is Cerberus. Good hunting. You're free to engage. AAA, threat imminent. Incoming SAMs. Incoming SAMs. Incoming SAMs. Incoming SAMs.
How do you flare it?
Incoming SAMs.
It won't let me flare it. It says to flare it, but the flare is not working when I press it. The only way to back off from those
Incoming
missiles
SAMs.
coming at the drone or whatever they're shooting, the flare is not working. I don't understand. I could be dodging or getting hit.
Incoming SAMs.
See? The flare is not working. I don't understand that at all. I need the flare. I'm gonna shoot him. This guy's getting shot. Whatever that is.
Good shooting.
Where is he? Got him. Shot him for that, boy. Where's the other targets? Oh, dear they are. I can't shoot again? My guns are locked again. Why? Can we zoom in? What am I supposed to do? Complete it. Avoid missiles by using the flare. Okay. That's completed. Why are my guns not working? It looks like our guns are fought from the head. Those rockets. Rockets. Target specific. For each rocket, I assume target fire. Okay. What? From fire? Oh, sorry. I shot my own guys. Oh, the green guys are my guys? Uh-oh. Sorry, man. Okay, so why is my gun not working? Oh, got him. My gun, my rocket Hydra. Ooh, that's dangerous, man. Sorry, but...
They're gone. HVT is running for it. Take him out.
Oh, run for it? Take him out. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Got him.
No coming back from that.
Clean up.
Tunguska on the field.
Return to the base. Thank you. Got it. Oh, I missed him. Bugger.
Incoming SAM.
Got him. Oh, yeah, there's another one?
Incoming SAM.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I just shot.
Incoming SAM.
I hit my guys until the enemy killed them. I didn't need to.
That's a kill.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I have no doubt this conflict will push your skills to the limit and beyond.
I apologize for the two guys that killed. The first one was a mistake. I didn't realize it was our guys. Friendly fire. The last one was totally like not trying to kill him at all. I was trying to kill the enemy, which I did, but I didn't know the rocket was that powerful that it actually hit the enemy and killed the enemy and blowed up one of my own military tank. Oh, that's like so sad. And very disgraceful that something like that can happen. But next time I'll be very careful, and I do apologize. And if that doesn't happen in military war, person should be just basically, looked at as next time don't do it again. As definitely action will be taken. Because seeing that wasn't intentional. Oh my god, I feel so sad. And that was a friend of mine, a good comrade. Oh, I don't know what happened, but the game supposedly stopped just now. So now I gotta like figure out why. And then